Platinum against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price formed bullish candles all the week, and we can see the price reached 992.55 resistance level. The weekly time frame shows us strength. The previous week it was also a bullish candle. This week is also a bullish candle where the price has reached also one of the highest price levels here, which means 999, almost 1000. On the monthly time frame, we can see after the price has reached this support level, the price bounced back up, and it has reached one kind of resistance level on the monthly time frame. And we have 2 more weeks to see how the price will close this month. But for now, what you can see, it is a bullish momentum indicating further rise in value, reaching the area around 1033. So will the price reach this one? It will be visible on the lower time frames. For now, the weekly is also showing the bullish strength, and we will see what happens on the daily time frame around this price level. So for the daily, we can see how the price behaves. Just a minute, I need to stretch this supply demand zone here. The price formed this bullish breakout, we can see that here. And then the price continued to rise in value. And then we can see also the price has formed this bullish breakout above, so I can put this one also visible here. This will be a bullish breakout, and it will be a support and resistance for the price. Just a minute, I need to put this one here. It will be on the daily basis. As the price behaves, I also adapt to the market conditions. And just a minute, I need to see how this looks. Okay, this is the price, and this is the resistance levels. Okay. And then we have also this one here, and we have one more here. Okay, this will be right here. And I will also insert this one supply demand zone for the price, and based on this one in the past, I can see that the price is bouncing between this one and also between this one. So this is currently will act as a supply zone where the sellers are waiting for the price, and the next one where the price could go is this one here. Let's see where the price is bouncing is here, and let's see this one here. Okay, now let's return back here. Then we will see how the price is behaving. Now we can see that the price has formed. Oh, I didn't put this one here also. Just a minute. Okay. Let's fix this one a little bit better, just to see how the price behaves. Okay, this is the one on the low side, and this is the one, and we need to put another one here. Here, and it should be around this one. Okay, I can stretch this one all the way here and show only up to daily time frame. Okay, this should be it. Now we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout above this supply zone, and it has reached the next one where the price currently is. And okay, we can also remove this one because this doesn't show me the precise informations. Okay, and go back here. Delete this one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, we can continue. The next supply zone is this one here. This is the next resistance where the price is heading. So I'm expecting to see the price going even more higher, reaching an area around 1012 next week. After that, we will see will the price make some kind of a retrace like this in this example to return all the way back down. But we can see on the monthly time frame that 1033 is a very important resistance level for the price, where the price usually returns back down, or it goes slightly back up, reaching 1123 and then going back down. So the price is bouncing between these two price levels, which is very important. But for now, currently on the weekly time frame, we can see that very important level is 1033 that the price behaves, and also before that is this one here, 1012. If it holds, the price will continue to rise value, and then when the price reaches it is expected to bounce back down, at least up to here at 1000 price level. So for now, I'm still bullish oriented until to see how the price behaves. If the price makes a breakout or returns back down, I will share that on the daily basis with the traders inside the Telegram group. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.